Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Zulu full-time mama. You can call me Umamgoma. And in this channel we learn isiZulu, and today we're gonna be learning about our body parts. My body is umzimba wami. Umzimba wami. So let's get down to it. Forehead is isiphongo. Isiphongo. Hair is izinwele. 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 Eyes, amehlo. Amehlo. Nose, ikhala. 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 Mouth, umlomo. 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 Ear, indlebe. 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 Chin, isilevu. 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 Neck, umqala. 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 Elbow, indololwane. 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 Shoulder, ihlombe. 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 Hand, isandla. 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 Fingers, iminwe. 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 Abdomen, ukhalo. 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 Thigh, ithanga. 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 Leg, umlenze. 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 Knee, idolo. 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 Foot, unyawo. 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 Toes, izinzwane. 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 Now let's do a quick recap. Head, ikhanda. Hair, izinwele. Ear, indlebe. Eyes, amehlo. Mouth, umlomo. Umlomo. Mouth, umlomo. Nose, ikhala. Ikhala. Nose, ikhala. Cheeks, izidlathi. Izidlathi. Cheeks, izidlathi. Chin, isilevu. Chin, isilevu. Neck, umqala. Umqala. Chest, isifuba. Isifuba. Chest, isifuba. Shoulder, ihlombe. Ihlombe. Shoulder, ihlombe. stomach, isisu, isisu, stomach, isisu, elbow, indololwane, indololwane, ankle, iqakala, iqakala, knee, idolo, hand, isandla, isandla, fingers, iminwe, iminwe, foot, unyawo, unyawo, foot, toes, izinzwane, izinzwane, arm, ingalo, ingalo, leg, umlenze, umlenze, buttocks, izinqa, izinqa, umzimba is body, body, umzimba, umzimba. So this is the last slide for the body parts, and I just thought I should add just one body part for you to think about that we've already shared. See if you can remember what teeth is in isiZulu. What is teeth in isiZulu? Face is ubuso, ubuso. Nail, uzipho, uzipho, uzipho. Breast, amabele, amabele, amabele. Heel, isithende, isithende, isithende. Back, umhlane, umhlane, umhlane. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.